First, open the Koinpark app. Click the Claim Now button. 2. In the Coinsparks page, navigate to the Retweet Join Telegram Reward section. 3. Locate the Telegram channel joining link and click Here. 4. You will be directed to Koinpark's official Telegram channel. Join the group. Next, go to your account section in Telegram and click My Profile. 6. Copy your username and paste it into the Retweet or Join Telegram Reward section in the app. 7. After submitting your username, a pop-up will appear confirming successfully submitted.